Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we're celebrating 1 year of YouTube. Let's go! As I said in the intro, we're going to be talking about 1 year of YouTube and how I've got along. Going to keep it short and sweet, but before we get into it, as per usual, I have a Hot Wheels here. You guys and girls have to guess what Hot Wheels car that is from my collection. A very small collection so far, but yeah, this one's cool. And I saw it not long ago on, not this exact one, but almost exactly the same at Japfest drifting. So yeah, that's pretty sick. But enough about that. We're going to head straight back into the video, so let's go. It's been almost exactly a year since I started this YouTube channel. I did have an older YouTube channel that I've now called Ben Beale's Portfolio, which was very mixed, and I wanted to go down the route of just car and automotive photography, videography, tutorials, tips, events, that sort of stuff. And I feel so far like I've delivered on that plan. I've put out one video every Saturday so far for a whole year. At the time of recording this, I've done 67 videos and I've got 165 subscribers. After a whole year, I thought, to be honest, I'm not even gonna lie, I thought I'd have more than 165 subscribers. Why am I making this video? Well, here's the truth. When I first started this channel, it was daunting. It still is, to be honest, but I thought it would be a good idea to make this video, give back to you guys and girls, maybe give you some advice and basically just show you or tell you my experience so far, and basically just give you a little bit of motivation to just not give up. The car community and the YouTube community started off exactly where you are, and where I am. If you are a small channel, then like I said, just don't give up. It just takes time. Unfortunately, it just takes time, but I'm not doing it for any accolades or anything to go crazy viral. This is my long-term strategy for when I've left the military, and basically it's a good way to just keep on the tools. And to be honest, some of the events that I've done, some of the people that I've met, and the car and motorsport things that I'm doing at the moment, I would not be doing if I hadn't started. If I hadn't started this separate YouTube channel that was just car related, and B, go down the niche that I've gone down. It's just led me down. It's part of a cliche thing to say, I suppose, but it's just led me down some paths that I didn't think that I would be going down, and I do not regret anything. Has it been hard work? Yes. I have a large family, wife, I only see them on the weekends because of work. I usually work away, so basically I edit on an evening every evening at work, and then I try and film some stuff on a weekend. So being consistent with one video every Saturday has been pretty hard, but I haven't missed a Saturday yet, and consistency is key with YouTube. But this video is not about me hitting big numbers, big milestones, anything like that. It was just a video that I wanted to make, just a short reminder for you guys and girls just to not give up. I've said it at the start of the video, but just keep going. The biggest thing with YouTube is to build like a big baseline, and then everything incrementally will go up over time. It's not like Instagram or TikTok where nobody sees it after 24 hours and it's short-term stuff, unless it's obviously YouTube Shorts. But you can use YouTube Shorts to direct people to your long form or longer form videos, and YouTube is king. Do you know what I mean? Google sends everybody to YouTube, so yeah, there's nothing to lose. Just keep going, never give up, and you will enjoy every moment. And lastly, I wanted to say a massive thank you to everybody. This video is not just about me at all. I wanted to say a massive thank you to you guys and girls for watching, sticking around, commenting. You know who you are about commenting. I try and do this Hot Wheels thing almost every video, and I've only had like 2 comments every single time. So to the people that did comment, thank you very much. You know who you are. But the people that have shared, liked, subscribed, commented, like I said, all that good stuff, I cannot thank you enough. This is a long-term game, like I said, and I'm enjoying every moment of it, and I don't think I'm going to stop anytime soon. There's a couple of moments where I thought to myself, you know what, why am I doing this every week? But I love it. I love it, and I hope you love it too. So comment below if you like these videos. Comment below what you thought was your favourite video that I've done so far, and comment below what you'd like me to do in the future. At the moment we're halfway through the year and I've still got plenty to film. The main films that I'll be doing for this year is the Britcar series. If you don't know what I'm on about, I'll put a link up here or a link in the description below. Basically, I'm doing a Britcar endurance GT racing for the Army Sports Car Racing Team documentary. Like I said, I'll leave a link, but that's pretty much the main things that I'll be filming this year. But like I said, every Saturday I'll be putting out a video anyway. I tried to do every Saturday anyway. I haven't failed a Saturday yet, but just like and subscribe and follow for more videos of tips, tricks, car events, all that good stuff. But like I said, this is not about me, this is about you and the community, and I just wanted to say a massive thanks once again. And without further ado, like I always say, comment, subscribe, like, all of those cool things. Thanks very much for watching, and I shall catch you in the next one.